Preface. Welcome to Building Functional AI Systems in Business, a technical and functional guide with Python and Jupyter Notebook. This book equips you with the knowledge and skills to develop and implement functional AI systems that add value to businesses. Whether you're a programmer, data analyst, or business professional looking to leverage AI's power, this guide provides a comprehensive roadmap for navigating the exciting world of AI engine development in a business context. Why Python and Jupyter Notebook? Python is a leading language for AI development thanks to its readability, extensive libraries, and strong community support. Jupyter Notebook, a web-based interactive environment, provides a powerful platform for prototyping, testing, and deploying AI code. Together, Python and Jupyter Notebook form a dynamic duo perfectly suited for building functional AI systems. What you'll learn. This book takes a hands-on approach, guiding you through the entire AI development lifecycle. You'll gain a solid understanding of the fundamentals of AI and machine learning. We'll explore key concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, and deep learning. Data processing and feature engineering. Mastering the art of preparing and manipulating data is crucial for building robust AI systems. Developing AI models with Python. Learn how to leverage Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch to build and train AI models. Integration with business applications. Go beyond theory as we explore how to integrate AI systems with existing business applications for practical impact. Jupyter Notebook for development and deployment. Discover the power of Jupyter Notebook for prototyping, visualizing results, and deploying AI models. Beyond the code. While this book emphasizes technical aspects, it recognizes the importance of a functional approach to AI development. You'll learn best practices for identifying business needs. Align AI efforts with real-world business problems for maximum impact. Evaluation and testing. Learn how to effectively evaluate and test AI models to ensure they are performing as expected. Deployment and maintenance. This book explores strategies for deploying and maintaining AI systems in a production environment. Who should read this book? This book is ideal for programmers looking to expand their skill set into AI development, data analysts seeking to leverage AI for more advanced data insights, business professionals wanting to understand and implement AI solutions within their organizations. Get started. We're excited to embark on this journey with you. This book is designed to be interactive and hands-on. Each chapter provides clear explanations, step-by-step code examples, and exercises to solidify understanding. We encourage you to experiment with the code, modify examples, and explore additional functionalities offered by Python libraries. Bonus resources. Learning extends beyond this book. To further enhance the AI development journey, we've created a dedicated website that complements the book's content. Website offers the practical aspect of a journey into AI. A journey into AI, hands-on exploration with Python. This clarifies the focus on learning by doing. Note, the author has tested all the Python programs, but sometimes the program may not work because of the Python library of different versions. Thank you.